Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And right now, is doing battle with a very important level on the chart. That level right here at the green line here, 8,200. And I say doing battle because remember the crypto markets are open 24/7. So even as I talk about this level right now, it'll continue to change. But even if you come back and watch the video several hours from now, the big question that you're going to need to ask yourself is, how is the price doing relative to 8,200? Like I said, as of the recording right now of the video, it is currently doing battle with it as I speak. Why is this level so important? Well, as a quick recap to yesterday's video, we should all be able to agree that right there was a good solid move on the bulls part. I don't think anybody's going to deny that. That brings up the question though of, but is there any sort of true power behind that movement? Well, movements with true power make progress forward. They don't go back to where they were. I'm assuming I insult your intelligence when I say that. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going back to where it was, because that would indeed be a contradiction. And quote unquote going back to where it was is what's being represented by the green line there at 8,200. Because when you stop and just look at the chart, let's say that the price actually, over the next 24 hours continues to separate to the downside and then all of a sudden is down here. Well, where's the price at down here? Well, you look over here, it's literally right back to where it was before the bounce even happened. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. So the big question on my mind, and what I proposed in yesterday's video was, yeah, hey, this move right here was very solid, no doubt about it. But is there true power behind it? Well, right now things are looking pretty shaky. However, if the price can actually maintain above it, and let's say over the next several hours does something like this before suddenly, starting to work its way back upwards, from the overall chart perspective, you'd have a new base of lows right here. The previous base of lows would be down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction. So that's why I say 8,200 is very important, and this current battle that's going on right now should be very revealing. So even if you're watching this 8 hours from now, I guess kind of lucky you, because as it stands right now, I don't know what's going to happen with it, but at least you can look at it and see where the price actually is relative to the 8,200 mark. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, is the price making progress? Well, as I've said, I'm defining and quantifying the word progress as 8,200. So we'll see if the price can stay above it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.